In this video, we'll be making this bunny mask for tyongya. I made this pattern after seeing these pics. This should fit any 10 cm doll as well. I used for 0.5 to 5.5 mm hooks with number 5 chunky yarn. Row 1. Start with a slip knot and chain 21. Check to make sure it fits around your doll. Pull this last loop through the first chain to make a round. From here, we will be crocheting into the back loops of this foundation chain. Chain 2, then double crochet 5 times. Two, double crochet increase. Double crochet 8 times. Two, double crochet increase. Double crochet 5 times. Then slip stitch back to the chain. Row 2, chain 2, then double crochet 9 times. chain 9. Then skip 5 stitches and double crochet into the 6th stitch. Double crochet 8 times. Then slip stitch back to the chain. Row 3, chain 2, then double crochet 5 times. Two, double crochet decrease. Double crochet. Make a double plus single crochet decrease, skipping 1 stitch in the middle. Slip stitch 5 times. Make a single plus double crochet decrease, skipping 1 stitch in the middle. Double crochet, then 2, double crochet decrease. Double crochet 3 more times. Then slip stitch back to the chain. Row 4, chain 1, then single crochet. 2, single crochet decrease 4 times. Single crochet 4 times. Two, single crochet decrease 3 times. Slip stitch back to the chain. Row 5, chain 1, then single crochet. 2, single crochet decrease 5 times. Single crochet, then slip stitch back to the chain. Chain 1 and cut to finish. For the bunny ears itself, we're going to use simple Tunisian crochet. With simple Tunisian crochet, each row is made with a forward pass of picking up loops from left to right, and a backward pass, pulling yarn through those loops from right to left. Row 1, 3-column simple Tunisian crochet. Make a slip knot, then chain 3. Forward pass on the back loops. Pull yarn twice to get a total of 3 loops on your hook. Backward pass. Pull yarn through 1 loop, then 2 until the end of the row. The last loop left on your hook will always count towards the next row. Keep this loop tight so that your rows turn out even. Row 2. To make the simple Tunisian stitch, we will pull yarn through these front loops. For all end stitches, always pull through both the front and back loops for an even seam. Backward pass. Pull yarn through 1 loop, then 2 until the end of the row. For this row, we're going to increase in the middle to mimic the bunny ear shape. Forward pass to make an increase. Pull yarn from the back to create 1 loop. Then pull yarn through the front loop to create another loop. Pull yarn from the end as usual for the 4th loop for this row. Backward pass. Pull yarn through 1 loop, then 2 loops at a time until the end of the row. Row 4. 4-column simple Tunisian crochet. Forward pass. Pull yarn 3 times to get a total of 4 loops on your hook. Backward pass. Pull yarn through 1 loop, then 2 loops at a time until the end of the row. Repeat this pattern for row 5. Row 5. 4-column simple Tunisian crochet. Forward pass. Pull yarn 3 times to get a total of 4 loops on your hook. Backward pass. Pull yarn through 1 loop, then 2 loops at a time until the end of the row. Row 6. Forward pass. Pull yarn 3 times to get a total of 4 loops on your hook. For this last row, we'll be making the curved edge of the ears by making a decrease on both corners. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops to decrease. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops to decrease on the other side. Then chain 1. Now let's finish the ear by making slip stitches along the edge. Slip stitch through this decrease. Then slip stitch on the back loops 3 times. Slip stitch through the front 3 times. Chain 1 and leave at least 6 inches of yarn before cutting. Repeat this exact pattern for the second ear. Now we can sew or thread the ears into the headpiece. Check out these playlists for more doll clothes and accessories. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more.